Ready? Respect is a feeling of a deep admiration for someone or something elicited by their abilities, qualities, or achievements. Respect yourself and others will respect you. Every soul is beautiful and precious, is worthy of dignity and respect, and deserving of peace, joy, and love. Can you identify that word? Yes, respect. As we all know, respect is a good feeling and everyone else needs to be respected. I am going to expatiate on respecting our parents and elders. The elderly people are our roots that support us at the base underground. Though they are hidden underground, our existence without them is impossible. They are the people who make us capable of surviving in this harsh world. It is very unfortunate that in some families the elderly are not given due respect and treated badly. We must not forget that homes cease to be sweet homes without the elders. We should use their experience and wisdom to make our life better. Besides, the kind of unconditional love we get from them, no other person or being can give us that type of love. We must hold on to the elderly people in our families and stay in the light of their love and wisdom. Few ways to recognize and appreciate our elders. First one, spend time with them and listen to their words. Second one, be polite. Being polite to our elders is a demonstration of respect. Third one, ask for advice. Whenever you are in distress, you can get valuable advice from them. Last one, eat together. Eating together is one of the greatest social customs for mankind. Dear children, now it's a time for pledge. Repeat after me. I obey my parents at all times and respond their order as quick as possible. I do not argue with my elders if I am asked to do anything. I respect and obey my parents' rules. I never lie to them. I do anything with pride for my parents to make them feel proud. Dear children, I hope you all heed my words because you are my respectable and lovable ones. Thank you, dears.